New update for NEET-SS and NEET-SS aspirants. National Medical Council has a notification via July 22nd has informed that the students who are PG residents or students who have completed post-graduation in MD Biochemistry are eligible for DM Endocrinology. Number 2, those students who have completed their MD Emergency Medicine are eligible for 2 DM Super Speciality courses. One is DM Neurology and the other is DM Cardiology. And those students of postgraduates have completed MD in Tropical Medicine are eligible for DM Gastroenterology, DM Rheumatology, DM Endocrinology, DM Critical Care, DM Nephrology and DM Hematology. So for all these 6 courses, those students who have completed post-graduation in MD Tropical Medicine are eligible for that. And this is a good news for those students in this specialty of MD Biochemistry, MD Emergency Medicine and MD Tropical Medicine. Those students who want to do clinicals, but for reasons they have gone into those specialties, but still they want to do super specialty in this areas, now have a great opportunity to look into it and prepare for it and get onto those courses and do a super specialty degree in these courses. So at Speed Learning app, we have specialized courses, and for all those students, either be a MD Biochemistry or MD Emergency Medicine or Tropical Medicine, and I have a typical format of courses, and there are a few live classes which is going to start from 1 month from now for the upcoming exams. Will be a INI-SS of November session, or it's going to be of a upcoming NEET-SS of 2026-27 academic session. So you can log on to the link below, and so that you can start enrolling into it, because Speed has a legacy of training more than 35,000 plus super specialty aspirants to get the DM or MCA super specialty seat of the choice. And I have personally mentored all of them, and they have been into the huge success and they got into the dream specialty, and you can work towards it and you can get on to your specialty as well. So at Speed and the faculty of Speed, the team of Speed will always be there with you to make sure that your dream come true. And I'll see you soon in Speed. Thank you. Bye-bye.